Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So this is my AirPod Pros. This is one of the few devices I still have that is Lightning. And today we're just gonna do a simple install where we're gonna replace the ear cups. Now, I normally try to keep these things pretty clean, but it's kind of hard to do. So I went ahead and I bought a replacement pair from Amazon. So I'm gonna try to, keep a set clean, switch off, get another set. So let's make sure these things work the way they're supposed to. These were pretty inexpensive. They didn't come directly from Apple. They came from Amazon. These were $20 to replace. So I don't know how good the quality is or how long it will last, but pretty simple, easy magnetized. So here's the right one. And it just fits right in. You take this one off. So here's the left one. And it just slides right in. So there you go. Oops. Quick and easy. Wow. They don't have as strong a magnet as the original, but that's okay. I mean, as long as they work. So I'm going to test these out to make sure. Okay, guys, so I just tried them out on the 15 Pro Max and they're fine. It's just that the magnet is not as strong as the original. So I'm gonna clean these. So the trip I go on, I won't take these. I'll put them in there. So these are kind of like when you go get your car repaired and they give you a demo car. That's what this is like. This is like demo pieces, because they come out super easy compared to the other ones. The magnet's a little bit stronger than this, but they'll work until I clean those and then stick the originals back on. So these are just clean replacements, let it dry and then put the other ones back. But for 20 bucks, it's not bad. These will work. Just have to be careful. If you set them down somewhere, yeah, these will easily pop out. All right, guys, so that's it for now. Pick them up on Amazon, 20 bucks. That's it. I'm out. Peace. See you guys on the next one.